한국 쇼트트랙 선수들이 또 한 번 진기록을 세웠습니다. 최근 열린 동계 유니버시아드 대회 1500m 쇼트트랙 경기에서 남자 여자 선수 모두 한 경기에 금메달, 은메달, 동메달을 싹쓸이한 것입니다. 그것도 여유 있게 말입니다. 보통 쇼트트랙에서 다른 국가의 강력한 선수가 한 명쯤은 있어서 메달을 모두 휩쓰는 것은 거의 불가능한 일인데요. 그런데 한국 선수들이 그 대단한 일을 해낸 것입니다. 한국 남녀 선수들 모두 경기 내내 여유 있는 모습을 보여주다 마지막 몇 바퀴를 남겨두고 부스터를 폭발시키며 상대를 압도하는 모습을 보여줬습니다. 이에 현지 해설자들도 말도 안 되는 한국 선수들의 경기력에 충격을 받아 말을 잇지 못하는 상황까지 발생했다고 하는데요. 또 스피드스케이팅 최강자로 유명한 김민선 선수는 너무나도 빠르게 질주해서 일본 선수를 제치고 카메라 밖으로 나가버리는 듯한 속도를 보여주며 사람들을 열광케 했습니다. 또 한 번 세계 최강의 면모를 자랑하며 압도적인 실력을 보여준 대한민국 선수들의 놀라운 경기 모습을 직접 확인해 보시겠습니다.
So now time for the big one. The top 7 athletes going head to head for the gold medal here in the 1500 meters at the Lake Placid 2023 World University Games. And this 1500 meters is underway. In the lineup going to Beijing in second place at the moment, Corinne Stoddard from Salt Lake City Community College. She went in the 500, 1,000 and 1,500 meters at the Beijing Olympics. And the German Anna Seidel competed in the 1,500 meters at those last Winter Olympics. And out the front, Gwendolyn Dode swept all 3 distances at the national championships in France just a month ago. Then we have a Korean 1, 2, 3. Choi Min-jun on the outside now. That Seidel goes down. Looks like the Chinese athlete Jia Hu Lin may have been involved in that one. She's trying to get in the mix and comes up the inside. But look at these 3 Koreans. Choi Min-jun up the front from Seo Wee-min. Jia Hu Lin sitting in 3rd place, but Kim Jun-hee not far behind. 2.5 laps to go here as Choi Min-jun leads her teammate Seo Wee-min, and the 3rd Korean Kim Gyun-hee goes into 3rd, and now it's a pure sprint between the 3 Koreans. Choi Min-jun has the advantage around the final bend, and it's going to be a 1, 2, 3 for Korea. Well, once they went for it, you can see the Chinese athlete thought, well, there's nothing I can do other than go with them. Now, is that just a fall from Seidel? And maybe that did distract did distract Kim Gyun-hee. So there is confirmation of the women's 1500 meters final. The top 3 for Korea: Choi Min-jun with the 2:43.01 from Kim Gyun-hee, the 2:43.82, and Seo Wee-min 1500 meter A final. Seen 3 Koreans win the women's 1500 meters, and there are 3 Koreans in the lineup here for the men's 1500 meters. So getting out the front early, Kim Tae-sun leading from Brandon Kim. It's Lee Jung-min who's gone up to the front, but Robert Krisberg's decides he's going to have a little pop at the front. The Latvian leading 2 of the Koreans. Kim Tae-sun pushing in the inside this time, takes the lead back. Sitting in 3rd now is Lee Jung-min. So with 3 to go, Kim Tae-sun up the front. Robert Krusberg in second place, but sneaking up around the outside, it's Jang Sung-woo. Jang Sung-woo pushing hard. He goes into the lead, Jang Sung-woo. Jang Sung-woo being overtaken again by Kim Tae-sun, the third Korean stepping up into the top three. And Krusberg's has slipped back, and it's a 1-2-3. 1-2-3 for Korea here. Kim from Lee from Jang in the end, but it was mighty close on the line. You can see that it was Lee who just got the better inside line. He just got pulled wide, Jang. So Kim Tae-sun takes first from Lee Jung-min and Kang Sung-woo. Top three for Korea in the men's 1500. Well, we have confirmation there of the top three finishes. Krusberg's putting a good effort, but it's Kim from Lee from Jang in.
Ready. There's 15 clean start, 100 meters split time. For Kim, a 10.60. For Inigawa, 10.82. That has Kim into the first place split. Country top, Japan's Kumagai, 39.41. Top of the turn. Building speed for that last 100 meters. Watch the board, you're going. Kim unofficially 55, putting her in the first place. Building speed for that last 100 meters. Watch the board, you're going. Kim unofficially 55, putting her in the first place.
So in third place, the Olympic silver medalist from Beijing in the 3,000 meter relay in 2022, those Winter Olympic Games, picks up a gold medal in the 1,500 meters, representing the Republic of Korea and Korea University. Very specifically, she said, the Sejong campus part of Korea University. Xie Win-min collects her bronze medal. Adirondack Mac, the mascot, the moose mascot as well.
Second place
her NFT a little bit
and
later
silver
on.
medalist representing Republic of Korea, Kim Yeon-hee.
Well, just doing it on the final bend and sneaking over the line into second place. The silver medal goes to the Kyung-gil University student, also from the Republic of Korea, Kim Yeon-hee. Also a 3,000 meter specialist, got a gold medal at the second Senior World Cup of the season back in November.
Gold medalist and short track women's 1,500 meter champion, representing Republic of Korea, Choi Min-jong.
Well, you could say she had all the pressure on her. The Olympic gold medalist from Beijing 2022 in the 1,500 meters came here as the red-hot favorite, representing the Republic of Korea and Korea University. 24-year-old Choi Min-jun effort, but it's Kim from Lee from Jang in the men's 1,500 meters. Korea completing a clean sweep of the medals in the men's and women's 1,500 meters here at Lake Placid. It was a Korean sweep. First up in the bronze medal position, Jang Sung-woo. First place in the 1,000 meters, second in the 500 meters at the Winter Youth Olympic Games back in January 2020. Gets a bronze at the World University Games of 2023.
Second place and silver medal.
With a 39. Ready. There's 15 clean start, 100 meters split time. For Kim, a 10.60. For Inagawa, 10.82. That has Kim into the first place split. Comes to top. Japan's Kumagai, 39.41. Top of the turn. Those speed for that last 100 meters. Watch the board.